Hi, it's Kevin from TakeAHikeGPS.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to transfer maps and data between a Garmin handheld GPS device and your computer. You're going to need to download the free Basecamp software from Garmin to do this. So just go ahead and go to the Garmin website, download that software and install it to your computer to get started. Okay, so we've downloaded and installed the Basecamp software from Garmin and opened it on our desktop, and this is the screen that we'll see when we do that. Now all we have to do is connect the GPS to the computer with the USB cable and turn it on, then we'll be ready to start transferring maps and data. When we turn on the GPS, we'll see it come up on the left side of the screen there, and it will automatically transfer the data that's on the GPS to the computer. And once it's finished doing that, at the bottom of the screen we'll be able to view the data that was on the GPS. So any waypoints, tracks, or routes, or geocaches, or anything else that was on the GPS, we'll be able to view it on the computer. And we can click on one of the icons to view more information about that particular waypoint or route, and we can also use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to filter the data and only view waypoints or routes or geocaches or whatnot. Okay, now when we're ready to begin installing maps on the GPS, we're going to click the file underneath the name of our GPS unit. Just right click on that and highlight Install Maps and click on that option. That will bring up a dialog box for the map installation process. Go ahead and hit Next, and if we have any maps that we need to unlock, it'll try and get us to unlock those. We can skip that. It'll ask us if we just want to automatically install maps around our waypoints, and in this case we'll say no. The next box will bring up the map screen where we can select the maps we want to install, and to do that we simply click on the square corresponding to the maps that we want to install on the GPS to highlight it. You can either click the squares individually or just drag the mouse across the screen to highlight a range of squares. And you'll notice as we do this that the green bar on the right side of the screen starts to fill up. That represents the memory of the GPS, the capacity for the memory. So once that gets to the top, then it's full and we can't install any more maps. When you've selected all the maps that you want to install on GPS, just hit the Next button at the bottom of the screen and then click Install, and it will start the installation process. It should only take a few minutes, and when we're done, just hit OK, and then we can view the maps we just installed on the GPS. Okay, so when we're ready to start transferring data to the device, we're going to go up to My Collection under Library on the left side, and you can see that the Send To option can't be selected yet since we don't have any new data to transfer to the GPS. So we'll go ahead and create a new waypoint on our computer to send to the GPS. And once we create the waypoint, we can go down to the bottom of the screen and either change the name or change the icon or put in any other information we want about the waypoint. And once we're ready, we go back up to My Collection, and now we can select that Send To option. Just select that and it will send the waypoint right over to the GPS, assuming we've got the GPS connected and turned on, of course. And once it's done, we can go ahead and view the waypoint that we just created on the GPS. So all in all, it's a pretty simple and intuitive process, but if you're having problems with it, feel free to send me a message and I'll try and help you out. As always, thanks for watching and have a nice day.